How to do a social media planning? Let's see. What we usually do is we go to the Facebook, we have something in mind, we just type it on the posting. Or if we have a video, we just do a live and just talk on whatever content that we like. That would be unlikely if you are an organization, you are an influencer, you are doing a full-time digital business operation. In that kind of scenario, you would need to tabulate what you want to do 1 week, 1 month, every 3 months, or every 1 year. Probably 1 year is too much. Let's start with weekly or monthly.